Hi everyone. In one of my previous video, we implemented RAG using the Llama 3.2 model. Today we are taking it a step further by implementing RAG with the powerful DeepSeek R1 model. In this video, we are building an AI that can read and answer questions from a PDF. Basically, a RAG that retrieves relevant information from documents and generate accurate response. To run DeepSeek R1 model on your local machine, we need a platform to execute it. That's where Ollama comes in. First, download and install Ollama from the official website. Once Ollama is installed, pull the DeepSeek R1 1.5b model by running the following command. We are using DeepSeek R1 1.5b, which is a lightweight yet powerful open source AI model optimized for efficiency and performance. To start the model, use Ollama run DeepSeek R1 1.5b. At this point, you can interact with the model and ask questions on various topics, including reasoning, general knowledge, factual questions, problem solving, and more. Model can give you better answers to your questions. Now, let's put the model to the test. I'll ask, who is the current president of USA? The model provides an incorrect and outdated response because DeepSeek R1 has a knowledge cutoff and cannot access real-time information. To overcome this limitation, we will build a RAG pipeline where the model reads a PDF containing the latest election results and generate accurate answers based on its content. This means the model will no longer rely on its pre-trained knowledge. Instead, it retrieves real-time data from the PDF before generating a response. How does this RAG work? So these are the steps that how the RAG work. In the first step, it loads the PDF document, then split text into smaller searchable chunks. Then convert these text chunks into numerical vector embedding and store in FAISS vector database. Based on user's question, it retrieves relevant text chunks. Then finally, using DeepSeek R1 model, it generates a content. That is the whole process of this RAG. Now, let's install the required libraries to build this system. Open your terminal and run this command to install the required libraries. These are the libraries that we need to install. PyPDF, load and extract text from PDFs. Langchain, process text efficiently. Sentence transformers, convert text into embeddings for semantic search. FAISS CPU, store and retrieve relevant embedding quickly. Ollama, run the DeepSeek R1 model locally. With everything installed, let's go through the implementation step by step. Here, I created a Python script to build this RAG. First, we need to import all the necessary libraries. Ollama runs DeepSeek R1 locally. PyPDF loader extracts text from PDFs. Recursive character text splitter splits the large text into manageable chunks. Sentence transformer convert text into numerical embeddings. FAISS stores and retrieves text embedding efficiently. Here, we need to extract text from PDF file. Each page is stored as a document object, making it easier to process. Next step is splitting text into chunks. To ensure efficient searching, we split the extracted text into smaller pieces. Chunking helps AI to understand and retrieve relevant information. We use overlapping chunks to maintain context across sections. Next step is creating the FAISS vector store. We convert text chunks into numerical embeddings and store them in FAISS for retrieval. Sentence transformer converts text into vector representations. FAISS enables fast similarity searches. Now we need to retrieve relevant context. When a user asks a question, we search for the most relevant text. The user's query is embedded into a vector. FAISS finds the top 3 most relevant text chunks. Now, generating AI response with DeepSeek R1. Now we can use DeepSeek R1 to generate a context-aware response. The retrieved text chunks are provided as context. DeepSeek R1 generates a response based on only the retrieved content. I will share the Python script and the PDF document in the description box so you can try it out. Now let's test our RAG system by asking the same question. who is the current president of USA. Unlike before, the model now provides the correct answer based on the latest election results from the PDF. Previously, we directly interacted with the model and we asked the question. But now, we need to run this Python script, which is the RAG, to get the updated information. So you need to run this Python script. So that's how we build a RAG system using DeepSeek model. You can try it out using the script and let me know your comments. So that's all about today's video. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe and like the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.